Welcome to Hybrids Digital Coaching's Young Minds Club. Hi, this is Shantakumar welcoming you to learn on financial awareness. I'm going to teach you on financial awareness, one topic every day. Now let us get into the topic. Good evening, friends. Today we are going to talk about the topic, do you have an emergency fund? Start building one even with a small amount to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. So, what is there in this statement? Literally see, in this statement you have three pieces of statements, three pieces of financial advice, emphasizing the importance of an emergency fund. Okay? So, do you have an emergency fund? This is one portion. This is a direct question prompting the reader to assess their current financial preparedness. Yeah. An emergency fund is a stash of money specifically set aside to cover unexpected life events that could cause financial hardship. The next sentence, the next portion of the statement is start building one even with a small amount. This portion is telling that about an encouragement and a practical tip. It acknowledges that starting an emergency fund building can seem daunting, especially if one doesn't have a lot of extra money. The key message here is to just start, regardless of how small the initial contribution is. Even saving a small few dollars or rupees regularly can accumulate over time. The emphasis is on consistency and getting started, rather than waiting until you can save a larger sum. Yeah. The third portion, to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This specifies the recommended goal for the emergency fund. Essential expenses refer to the non-negotiable costs you incur each month to live, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, this electricity, water, gas, internet, groceries, transportation, gas, public transport fares, insurance premiums, minimum loan payments. So ideally you would avoid taking on new debt during an emergency. The 3 to 6 months lifetime is a widely recommended guideline. The idea is that if you suddenly lost your job, faced a major medical emergency, or had an unexpected car repair, this fund would provide a financial cushion for a few months, allowing you time to recover, find a new employment, or deal with the crisis without going into debt or facing severe financial distress. The exact number of months often depends on personal circumstances, job security, and risk tolerance. Example, someone with a less stable income might aim for closer to 6 months. In essence, this statement is a strong recommendation to prioritize financial security by setting aside money for the unexpected, starting small if necessary, and aiming for a fund that can cover several months of your basic living costs. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.